Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money online with affiliate marketing. In the top right hand corner I have a complete guide on how to start an Amazon Associates account so that you can start affiliate marketing with Amazon Associates. So the first way I'm going to talk about to promote your affiliate links is with email lists. Email newsletters are a great way to make money online because you can start one for absolutely free. All you have to do is write up emails and promote it. And you can do that mainly with social media, and then you can just link your newsletter, tell people to sign up, and then they're going to sign up to your newsletter. And once or twice a week using a software like MailChimp, you can send out emails and then put in your affiliate links into those emails. So then you can get lots of affiliate commissions. For example, if you put an email newsletter talking about your brand new phone and then you can put in a link to go buy it, people might click on that and purchase it, and then you'll get a small commission if you use your affiliate link because people are buying it. Also, newsletters are one of my favorite ways to do affiliate marketing because you can also get a lot of sponsorships with newsletters. You can put in advertisements and all sorts of other things to make money with them as well. So they are very monetizable once you have an audience. So number two is going to be social media. That can be YouTube channels, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. So I'm going to go over a few examples of different ways you can promote your affiliate links with social media. So on YouTube, really any YouTube channel can promote affiliate links. For example, in the description right now, I have an affiliate link to vidIQ. So when you sign up and buy one of the plans, I get a small commission. Channels like this here are some of the best for affiliate links because you don't even have to show your face. They're completely faceless and they promote products. They have these really easily made tech videos here and they are getting 1 million views per month. So imagine how much affiliate commissions they can get, because if we do click on top 5 best gaming PCs and go to the description, they have all of these different affiliate links for every single computer listed so that people will purchase their products from these affiliate links. So another way you could promote it if you don't want to do a YouTube channel is with Twitter. So what you can do in Twitter is that you can make an account based on a product. For example, we could say we're going to make an account based on headphones, and you just set up a real quick easy account and then you go around whenever any pair of headphones goes on sale. So what you can do is you can go to Amazon and then go to shop all deals, where it's going to bring up the best deals, and then you can just put this to, let's say, headphones, and then we could find the best headphones on sale right now. So we're going to look for ones that are pretty popular, people might want to buy. So we could say, how about these Anchor headphones here? And then you can just grab an affiliate link using Amazon, grab the link, and then go on Twitter and say, hey, look, there's this sale ending in 5 hours. Check out the link. And then people will click on it to see the sale. And then you'll get a commission if they decide to buy the headphones. So method number 3 is going to be with making a blog. So this one is also really good because you can use websites like Wix or Squarespace to make a completely free blog. And then you can promote that blog on social media to get people to check it out. And then you could do blogs on specific products that you can put affiliate links to. So for example, you can make a video on the top 10 cameras of 2023. So then you can search up DSLRs, and let's say one of the top 10 cameras is the EOS Rebel T7. Then you can just copy and paste your link into your blog, and then people who check out your blog and decide to buy the camera will use your link to purchase the camera, so you get a commission on the camera. Now this is great because blogs are pretty easy to get traffic if you can rank high on Google search rankings, and if not, then you can promote it with things like social media to get people to check out your blog. So number 4, and this is one that I personally use as well, and that is a website called kit.co. And kit.co is a website where you pretty much list a kit and then people will check out your kit, and they're all affiliate links. So this guy here has a gaming nerd setup where he's got a huge gaming setup, and this is probably all of his equipment here. So you can advertise stuff, and it says commissions may be earned from the links below, and this is pretty easy to set up. So all you have to do to set it up is go to this plus, and then you can create a new kit. You can put a name in it. So I'm just going to say affiliate example. I'm just going to put example kit. So you can just put whatever you want in here. Then you just search for a product. So let's say we wanted to put in a mountain bike. So you can just search bike, and it comes up with a gigantic list of different bikes, and you can add them in and then put in what's your story about this product and add it to your kit. So this is great because it's easy to set up, and it's great for people with the social media following on any kind of platform like Twitter Twitter or YouTube or Instagram, because people will be interested in what products you are using. So you can link your kit.co link in the description, and then people are going to click it and check it out and possibly buy what is in your kit. So number 5 is affiliate marketing with Pinterest. So what you do is that you go to Pinterest and then you go to business, and you want to make a business account. That way you can promote your affiliate links. So create an account, and then you just put in your email and password and everything. So once you have all of that information put in, you just create an account. Once your account is created, you can set up your profile. So I'm just going to do that. Okay, so now we are on this part of the website. And so we want to go to the home feed right here. So make sure you're on that. And then you can search up any type of products you can think of. I'm just going to look up shoes and then see what shoes come up. And there's a lot of shoes on here, for example. And so then we can go to amazon.ca and look up shoes. And then just take whatever shoes or whatever product you're going to do. So I'm going to do these shoes. Why not? They're $45. And then you just hit get a text link and then copy your affiliate link. Go back and then look up these shoes. So look up these shoes on Pinterest. And you can see that there's a lot of posts like this of running gear with all of these different images. And then you can create a pin. So create a pin and then add your title. So we're just going to put the title of these shoes. So I got that, and then we're just going to put best shoes I ever tried. And then go back to your link, grab your link, paste it in, and then you just got to add an image. So we can just take this image of these shoes here, go back to your post. So then put in the image of the shoes, and now we have our image, and now we can publish our brand new post. So we got to add a board. So we're going to create one, and then we're just going to put my top products. So we're just going to say my top products as an example. You can do anything you want. So create and publish your post. And now you have this post. So you can promote your pin with an advertisement, or you can just leave it up and people might end up seeing it anyways. And someone might see these shoes and say, oh, hey, look, those are cool. And then they click on your link, and it's an Amazon affiliate link directly to Amazon where they might buy the shoes. So that took me like 2 minutes to make one link. So if you spend an hour or two on this, you can make like 50 different posts every single week, just an hour or two putting them up. And then it's pretty likely that someone is eventually going to see your Pinterest post and click on it and purchase using your affiliate link.